Good morning, students. Welcome back. Last week we were studying about the lesson. The name of our lesson is what? The noun, correct? And I told you what is proper noun, what is common noun, what is collective noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun means the name of a particular person, place, animal, bird, or thing, correct? Common noun means what? The noun or a word which is used commonly, correct or not, which is used in common for a person, place, animal, bird and thing. That words are known as common nouns. What is collective nouns? Collective noun, it is a word which shows collection of people, collection of places, collection of animals, collection of birds, collection of things. Those words are called what? Those words are called collective nouns. Today we are going to start. Here are some. Here is a here is a list of some collective nouns. I'll just show you. I'll read out those collective nouns for you. An album of photos, a band or orchestra of musicians, a school of fish or a shoal of fish, a bouquet, a posy of flowers, a brood of chickens, a chain of mountains, a cloud of locusts or dust, an army, a squad of soldiers, a bundle of sticks, a class of students, a library, a pile of books, a course of lectures. Okay, backside also some collective nouns are given. Now, which is that? Which are those? A crowd of people, a clump of trees, a gang of robbers or thieves, workmen, a cluster of eggs, a heap of stones, a fleet of ships, a flock of sheep, a quiver of arrows. Quiver means what is in olden days you might have seen in Ramayana and Mahabharata. They are having some arrows to keep on their backside. It is called quiver. What it is called? Quiver. Now here is question number 1. Use the collective nouns from the above list and fill in the blanks. What we have to do? We have to see in 20 collective nouns which collective noun will suit for this sentences. Total 12 sentences are there. Now the first sentence which is given here is the boy went to the florist. Florist means what? The person who sells flowers, okay, and asked for a dash of flowers. Now what of flowers? What it is called? When many flowers are put together, what it makes? It makes a bouquet. So that sentence we have seen that collective noun where dash of flowers, where it is, just a minute. See, look, a posy of flowers or a bouquet. Here it is, a bouquet, or it is also called a posy of flowers. When many flowers are put together, it is called bouquet. So we will write down here bouquet, BOUQUET, bouquet. Okay. Second sentence which is given in the book is, I will be little fast, okay. So second sentence is given, the dash played the music well. Now it is also called group of band, group of people, those who play music. It is also they are called either band or it is also called orchestra. So we can write anyone, we can write down orchestra or band. So I think the band played the music well. I will write down the band. I will write what answer? Band. BAND, band played the music well. Music well. Third sentence which is given here is, there was a dash of stones near the bank of a river. There was a dash of stones. What it is? Heap of stones. When many stones are put together on one place, it is called heap. So there was a heap, HEAP, heap of stones near the bank of river. Near the bank of river. Fourth sentence given here is the sun rises in between the dash of mountains. Now when many mountains are in straight one line, or if they are in one line, what it is called? It is called the row of mountains or line of mountains. Here it is told that a chain of mountains. So the sun rises in between. The sun rises in between the chain of mountains. Chain of mountains. Fifth sentence is the wedding dash had beautiful photographs. The wedding album. Okay, when many photos are put together, it is called what? Album. So fifth answer is what? Album. I'm just writing answers. You write down answers by seeing on board. Whatever fifth sentence is there, write down fifth answer as album. Okay. Sixth sentence is a dash of robbers looted the shop. Now what of robbers? A gang of robbers, you can say, or a gang of thieves, or a gang of workmen. Okay. So sixth answer is what? Sixth answer is gang. G-A-N-G, gang. Seventh sentence which is given in the book is the dash of students was quiet. What is seventh sentence? The dash of students was quiet. What it is? The class of students was quiet. Okay. Eighth sentence is what? Daddy saw a dash of eggs in the nest. What of eggs? Cluster. Can you see a cluster? Yes, cluster. So I am writing answer seventh one. A dash of students. What of students? A class of students. Seventh answer is class. Eighth answer is dash of eggs. What it will be of eggs? A cluster of eggs. Eighth answer is what? Cluster. Ninth sentence which is given here is the old man had a dash of books in his house. When many books are put together, what it is called? It is called library of books. So ninth answer is what? It is the ninth answer is library. Tenth sentence, a dash of soldiers was marching towards the enemy. Now group of soldiers is called what? It is either called squad, or it is called, one more word is given in the book, which is that the another word which is given is an army. So what answer will be perfect, or which answer will suit to it? A squad of soldiers. So 10th answer is squad. S-Q-U-A-D, squad. What is 10th answer? Squad. A squad of soldiers means what? When many are army people, you can say, or many soldiers which come together, they are called squad, or group of soldiers is called squad. Next one, the professor took a dash of lectures. Now when many lectures are taken again and again for 1 year, teachers are teaching you or professor is teaching you, then what it is called? That 1 year is known as course. So what is our 11th answer? Our 11th answer is C-O-U-R-S-E, course. And the 12th last sentence of this collective nouns is the archer carried a dash of arrows, a quiver of arrows. Quiver of arrows. It is in this way, like this something, correct? And in that arrows are kept. It is like this, to hang it on one side of the shoulder, correct or not? What it is called? It is called arrows. It is called quiver of arrows. When many arrows are put in one basket, it is called, that basket is known as quiver. Have you understood? Have you understood about collective nouns? The next noun which we are going to study is abstract noun. What we are going to study? We are going to study is abstract noun. Now what is given in abstract noun? Here it is told that in a paragraph given on page number 15, the word wisdom tells us about the quality of villagers of being wise. The word wealth talks about the condition of village, that is, they are rich. Now read the following sentences. First one, the gentleness of man attracted the children. Here the word gentleness describes the quality of the man. What is described about man? The quality of man is described in that first sentence. Second sentence is the flight of birds was smooth and fast. Here the word flight shows the action of flying done by the birds. Correct? Third one, he talks in his sleep. Here the word sleep shows the state or condition in which he rests. So a noun which shows a quality, action or state or condition of something is known as abstract noun. Have you understood? Abstract noun means what? A noun which tells about the action, which tells about quality, which tells about condition and state of whom, state of person, place, animal, bird and thing. That noun is known as abstract noun. I think you have understood what is abstract noun, and more about abstract noun we are going to study on page number 17, that is tomorrow. Okay, 17 page number. I will read some examples of this, some examples of this. Now it is quite bigger lesson. In short, I will explain you this page, and then we will do fill in the blanks on page number 18. There is a fill in the blanks. That fill in the blanks we will do in tomorrow's period. Okay, have you understood? And do one thing, students, as time is very less, because of my grammar portion I could not complete portion fast. Start completing your English workbooks. Whatever question answers I have taken while teaching lessons, that all question answers, please start writing in your English workbook and send those photos to WhatsApp group. Okay, on 5th standards group you have to send photo. Okay, thank you.